Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I wanted to do a little unboxing video for you guys. I am super excited because I won from Glam Lily. I won something really cool. A friend of mine here on Instagram put me down as a winner. Her name's Tony Marie. 1227, and she put me down as a winner to receive a cheerleader prize on Glam Lily. And Glam Lily, not Glam Lily, Glamily, I keep saying Glam Lily. So Glamily is a company that basically just supports like fashion influencers and beauty content creators on Instagram. So I won this really cool little gift. This is the box. Look at how beautiful it is. Like, it's really, really pretty. And the note just says, "Thank you so much for all your support and your contribution to our community. Glamily is a space to get inspired and glam up your own kind of beauty. With Glamily, you have the chance to apply for thousands of free products from leading global beauty, fashion, and lifestyle brands. All you need to do to begin is to share your own story, inspirations, genuine impressions of products, which you guys already know I do already anyways. We try our best to bring you curated gifts with the highest quality possible from brands across the world. We would love to hear from you. Let us know your thoughts by adding Glamily Official and Glamily Review. Let's build a great community together." So I was super excited to find out. I'm actually going to unbox two things for you guys today. So the first thing is my cheerleader prize. And this is a beautiful box. I'm definitely going to save this box. It won't be going in the trash. And this ribbon, look at how beautiful this ribbon is. And of course, you guys, I have this beautiful wig on, and I can't for the life of me remember where I got it from, so it is what it is. And I just did a look for my YouTube channel. It'll be up here on Instagram soon, so. And this is exciting. This is so pretty in here. It's packed full of, it looks like hair barrettes. So I'm going to open them all up and I'm going to show them to you guys. And the brand of these is Candy and Tea. It says it's a handmade item. What the heck? Okay, so I can't open it. Looks like I'm going to use my hair cutting scissors to open it. Sure, somebody's gonna be like, "No, what are you using those for? That's for your hair." And I know. Oh, I know. That's for my hair. You don't have to tell me. I already know. So I'm excited because these will come in super handy for like looks. I can wear them to work. I can put them in my little daughter's hair. As long as she doesn't mess them up, because oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this is. It is absolutely gorgeous. We're going to put it right here. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. All right, I'm going to turn this light down and see if you can see the color a little better. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love it. It closes good. It's not really budging in my hair, which makes me happy. All right, now the second one is another beautiful pin. It has like a little like jaw clip, kind of, or I don't know what that is, alligator clip maybe. But look at how pretty that is. It's so sparkly and shiny. And I am gonna start using, look at how pretty that is. Okay, so this is beautiful. It has like little rhinestones all over it. It's really pretty. This is so pretty too. It is freaking beautiful, and it has another little like alligator clip. Look at, These are really high quality as far as, I'm going to put that one right here. And it's, I mean, this isn't my hair, but it's staying in the wig very nicely. Yeah, how pretty that is. And that's like another little alligator clip. And then I have this one, which I'm trying to open. I'm trying, guys, I'm trying. I'm definitely gonna have to edit this video so that it's less than 10 minutes because holy moly. Or maybe I'll put this on YouTube and then I'll do a little unboxing video on Instagram. This one is super cute as well. It has little gems on it. And it's like really good, really high quality. Oh, that looks a little wonky. Okay, so I never said that I knew how to style a wig. But look how pretty that is. That is beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm telling you, these are a little hard to get out. Other than that, they are super awesome. Okay, so this one is beautiful. It's got pearl, and then it is red, gold. I'll put this one over here. And this is just like a little snappy. A little clippy. Ooh, this one's pretty too. So, I'm really trying not to use my hair cutting scissors because I don't want to ruin them because I cut my hair with them. Not my wig hair, my real hair. My real hair. Alright, this one I'm gonna have to cut because it's like super like strong. Alright, so I got this one. Look at how beautiful that is. So this one we'll put right here. And this one is like a barrette. Oh, where does it clip? There we go. Okay. This one's like a little barrette. See myself pinning my hair up in that. Ooh, and we've got a pineapple. A very cute pineapple. Pineapple's super cute, actually. Pineapples are like super common right now in hair and like accessories and on clothing. Look at how cute that is. That is a cute pineapple. Looking funky. Okay, so there is my pineapple. I am all blinged out, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I know, this is taking forever, but don't worry, you guys won't know that it took forever. So here's another beauty. This is like a little, ooh, that's beautiful too. And the last one that I got for the cheerleader prize is another little, all right, so this is the last one, and it is green and gold, which is beautiful. And it's a little like, I'm not good at these ones. Not good at this. Oh, so that's what that one looks like. So beautiful. I'm gonna leave those in my hair. And then I'm going to unbox the other one. So beautiful. Okay, so the other package that I got this because I did content for Glamily, and I did content and tagged Glamily in it. So it's just for being part of the community. So I have not looked at these either, but these are from the same company, Candy and Tea, and I'm pretty sure this is like jewelries and stuff. So look at how cute that is. I'm going to take this little adorable ribbon off. Ooh, these are so cute. These are adorable little earrings. Look at this. Look at it. Those are super cute. I actually really like them. Adorable. I really like them. Okay. There's one. And then I have another box. So let's open this box. Oh, these are more earrings. These are super cute. They are sunflowers. And are not sunflowers, daisies. Look at this. And this daisy right here, it has a moving daisy, like a petal that's flying away. Oh my gosh, so cute. I cannot wait to put those on. I cannot wait to put them on because they are so freaking cute. All right, I have 2 more boxes from the same company. So it's Candy and Tea still. And this, oh, adorable. Look at how cute these are. I cannot wait to wear those. All right, and now the last one, also from Candy and Tea. This is a scarf. Ooh, it's a really pretty scarf. It is a hair accessory. Look at this. Well, I could have used this for the disco collab I just did. Darn it. This is really soft. And like, look at the fabric is really pretty. It's super soft. So this is like a headband. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you so much, Glamily. I really, really love it. I love being part of the Glamily community. I really appreciate all of these gifts. Thank you so much. And Tony Marie 1227, you are amazing. You have a special place in my heart. Thank you to everyone here that supports me on Instagram and also on YouTube. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you, and bye.